right now I'm going to downstairs. Okay, so here we have this this is the motion sensors test light that you've been requesting for. Okay, so you're going to have that. I've arranged all this here. So this was what I was actually talking about. You see, this test is attached to this wall, but this 5 sets is not. You see, it's separated from a wall. This side there's no wall here. This side as well. So I have to come and cut this side. Okay. I have to cut this side. Okay. So that one too, I've arranged the conduit for wiring. Okay. Come this way. And there's the other one for the upstairs. Okay, so it goes this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, and ends on the last stair. Okay, and here we also going to maintain the those LED profile lights that I already showed you. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and there will be one more here. So there will be one more here. This wall, this straight wall, you can even hit it up there. Okay.